Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we are going to paint the Skyline, V35, the G35, whatever you want to call it. Let's do it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and you can hear the dog drinking. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. We're pretty much just going to be painting all this episode. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, we've actually got a little bit of condensation on the roof here, which is not good because it's actually dripping onto the side of the car. Get the air compressor and spray up there, try to knock it all down. Then we'll clean up the Skyline and wet the floor, mix up paint, start spraying. I'm going to put you up there. I've got a mount up there so you can see, so there's no tripod in the way, so I don't trip over it as I have before. Alright guys, I have got all the condensation off the roof. I've wet the floor down. I've got the line around the car ready. About to clean the gun. Once I've cleaned the gun, I'll wipe the car down and I'll start painting. Really need to get this done so I can get all this tape off. This is really annoying. Alright, actually a bit nervous. Hopefully this works out alright. So I'm going to do the inside of the guards first, then I'll put the bonnet down, and then we'll do the bonnet, and I'll probably go from this guard around. I'm getting nervous now. I'm just going to mix up a small batch of the white, see how it sprays, and then if that's all good, make a bigger batch. So probably doing 800 mils, because I know 800 mils did the full car in the primer. So there we go. Alrighty guys, I'd call that my first coat. Been painting for about an hour and a half. It's pretty solid white. It does have a lot of trash in it, so I'm going to let it dry for a little while. I'm going to go have some early lunch and I'll try to get some of the trash out and we'll shoot another coat. So I used 900 ml of colour so far, and 1.8 litres of thinners. So probably have to get some more thinners. Back soon. Alright guys, I've finished the white, finished the colour. So we're going to hit it with some pearl now. Just going to do a little practice with the pearl on the cardboard on the other side of the car. I'll probably do a 1-to-1 ratio, and just do one coat and then move on to clear. So I've got 2 hours max to get this done because I've got to go pick up Marley. Oh damn, look at that pearl. Better mix that up really good. Alrighty guys, I've done a coat of pearl. I'm only doing one coat, as I've also been told do too many coats and it'll actually turn yellow. And by looking at it in the can, I can see why. So we're going to start mixing up some clear. I'll just check on the tin best ratio, but I've been having pretty good luck with 2-to-1 ratio today. So 2 parts thinness, 1 part paint. So I might do that. Ready guys, time for clear. Can you see it? It's actually full. Anyways, I think I'm getting a little bit high. Gonna start painting. So I've got about an hour to get this on. I've got pearl on there. Look at that, I showed like the only crap bit on the bonnet. I've actually got a bit of crud in the on the paint at the moment, so quickly get them off and we'll get some clear on. Alrighty guys, it's night time now, and with just the lights on, this I'm not happy with it. Just noticed like here and like on the edges, like up here, looks grey. What I actually did was, before putting the pearl on, I wiped it down, and I've wiped it to the edges. So now there's a build up of the dust on the edges and it looks crap. I might be able to get away with them because of the black strip. It's not as bad as I thought. Right, let's get this light on here too. Oh, look at that pearl. It's not too bad. I think it's more the bonnet. Oh, that's looking good. It's so sparkly. Oh, and I ran into the fridge and I knocked the control off and it hit the guard on the way down. That was while I was still doing the white. I don't know what to do about this. Like, when there's light on it, you don't really see it. But when there isn't, I can see here and here. And here. I don't know. Oh, it's a hard one. Look, if I only have to do the bonnet, I'm happy. That's fine. I can do that. Yeah, it's actually come up not too bad. So I'll definitely get some tack cloths and wipe this down again. As you can see, like the whole garage is white. White. Look at this. Honda's got all white through it. But yeah. Let's see in the next couple of days how this turns out. But I am going to leave this episode here, guys. It does have probably... Alright, thanks buddy. Thanks. You can piss off now. Thank you. Yes, I think it's got a couple of layers of clear on most parts. I'm really focused on getting this nice and thick with clear. Oh, it's gonna pop when it's in the sun. This looks mint. And I could even just sand back or rough it up. It is rough actually. I could just go over that again actually. Just put some paper in the guards and just go over the bonnet. I think I might. I've got enough of this acrylic thinner for another batch of white, and I only did one layer of pearl, and then it's a couple of clear. I'm actually quite happy. It's really only these bits. Right, I've got it, yeah, got it at the back here too, if you can see. I don't think if you're looking for it, you won't find it. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with the build. There's plenty more to come. I'll catch you next episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.